Hey, here's a cool new update to let you show your users how many results there are or how many potential results there are in your widget. So over here, you can see the showing 10 jobs. And as I start filtering, this changes dynamically as I change my results. You can set this up very easily. All you need to do is head over to filters and then down to this new tab called results counter, turn it on, and immediately you'll see two things. So the first one is display mode. Right now I've got it showing X items. You can also do showing X of Y items. And so what that does is it shows how many items are currently visible. For example, if you have done pagination or see more, and how many potential options there are. And this changes based on the types of filters you have. So for example, it could be your entire data source or just how many out of the filtered data source do you have. And then the last bit on the end here where we have jobs, you can change this to whatever makes the most sense. So this could be items or products, or if you want to leave it blank, you can, and then we will use the item language default from behind the scenes. So it's really easy for you to create an awesome user experience for your users who are searching and filtering your widgets.